Hi friends, here is the complete user guide for the email QR code. In this video, you will learn how to create an email QR code. Before we start, make sure to subscribe QRCodeChimp for our best offers and promotions and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Go to QRCodeChimp.com. Go to the Solutions tab. And click on the Email Solution card. Let's create an email QR code now. Enter your email, subject, and message in the input boxes. Make sure to check the box to make the QR code dynamic. Now, let's decorate your QR code. Choose a QR code shape as per your preferences. You may select predefined QR designs. Now, let's apply the sticker with call to action to get more scans. Add colors to make it attractive. You can also change QR body shape. You may add your own logo by uploading it. Adjust the logo and logo background using scales. You may apply 3D effect as well. Let's close this design section to continue saving. Now save your QR code by providing it a name and you are all done. If you want, you can save the QR code in a folder by selecting or creating a new folder. Now, click on Save. See the newly made QR code on your dashboard. That's all for this tutorial. Subscribe for more such helpful videos. Thank you for watching this video. Explore more QR code solutions by visiting QRCodeChimp.com.